So welcome students. So in this question, see given that you have a parabola y square is equal to 4x. So y square is equal to 4x and you have 3 points A, B, C on this parabola, arbitrary points. And obviously if you have 3 points, you can form a triangle out of them. And you'll have a centroid for the triangle. So let the centroid be H1, K1. Now you draw tangents to the parabola at the points A, B and C. So these 3 tangents also meet at 3 different points. Again you get another triangle. The centroid of that triangle will be H2, K2. So original points, you have a triangle, you have a centroid H1, K1. So you draw tangents from A, from B, from C. Again they meet at 3 points. The centroid of that triangle is H2, K2. So what is the relation between the coordinates H1, K1 and H2, K2? That's the equation. So again, to build this mathematically, let us assume that A has a parameter T1, B has a parameter T2, C has a parameter T3. These are 3 points on the parabola, hence they can be defined by these parameters. So point A is AT1 square, 2AT1. Point B is AT2 square, 2AT2. And point C is AT3 square, 2AT3. So these are the 3 points that you have. So what is the centroid of triangle ABC? So the centroid is nothing but, so A times T1 square plus T2 square plus T3 square by 3 and 2A times T1 plus T2 plus T3 by 3. That is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the centroid of the triangle formed by ABC, that is nothing but H1, K1. So this is H1, this is K1. Similarly, if you have triangle EF and D, triangle DEF. So we know that, so if you draw tangents from T1 and T2, their intersection point will be AT1, T2 and A times T1 plus T2. So in this way, so if you want the intersection of 2 tangents, so one of them will be D is the intersection of tangents from A and C. So that will be A T1 T3 and A times T1 plus T3. And point E is the intersection of the tangents from A and B. It is A T1 T2 A times T1 plus T2. And F is A T2 T3 and A times T2 plus T3. So these are the coordinates of D, E and F. Now what is the centroid of triangle DEF? The centroid of triangle H2, K2 is nothing but, so A times T1 T2 plus T2 T3 plus T3 T1 by 3. And so if you add these 3, you get 2A times T1 plus T2 plus T3 by 3. So these are the coordinates of H1, K1, these are the coordinates H2, K2. Now let us go to our options and see if any of the options is valid. So 2K1 is equal to K2. So 2K1 is equal to K2 is wrong. So you can very clearly see that these two are equal. So K1 is equal to K2 is right. Next. So next is K1 square is 4A by 3 into H1 plus 2H2 or 2H1 plus H2. So what is K1 square? So K1 square is nothing but 4A square by 9 times T1 plus T2 plus T3 whole square. This is equal to, so if you take 4A by 3 as common, you have an extra A by 3 into, so what is T1 square plus T2 square plus T3 square is nothing but T1 square plus T2 square plus T3 square plus 2 times T1 T2 plus T2 T3 plus T3 T1. So A by 3 into T1 square plus T2 square plus T3 square is H1. So H1 plus A by 3 into T1 T2 plus T2 T3 plus T3 T1 is H2. So you have n into 2. So 4a by 3 into H1 plus 2H2. So option C is also right. Obviously, if option C is right, option D is wrong. So options B and C are valid for this question. Thank you.